Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Snapchat AI option not available problem. So in the case that the new Snapchat Dream AI selfie feature is not necessarily available on your devices, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step where to locate this and how to basically have this feature available on your device. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so one of the main fixes that we could actually do in order for us to solve this issue is to make sure that we are connected with a stable internet connection. So double check under your Wi-Fi and please make sure that you do not have any connection issues with your Wi-Fi. And if you do, you could also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. Now, one more quick thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to make sure that our Snapchat applications is updated to the latest version. So I would like you guys to go ahead and launch the App Store and search for Snapchat. And once we're here, let's go ahead and make sure that our Snapchat applications is updated to the latest version. And if it already is, well, you can now go ahead and enjoy the features of the new Snapchat Dream AI feature. But if you do have an update available, I would like you to go ahead and proceed with updating your application so that bugs like this would be fixed. You're going to have all of the new features available on your application, and you're going to have the best user experience possible. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.